All right, guys, we are almost done. So this one is about negative exponents. And I'm actually going to start here at the bottom with this extra example here of when we see this with x's. So if I have x to the fourth over x to the sixth, what we saw before with the quotient rule is you can actually subtract those exponents. 4 minus 6 gives us negative 2. But if we expand this out, x to the fourth over x to the sixth, and I just cancel out some x's here. So cancel out 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's none left on the top. And so we would write that as 1 over x times x, which is x squared. Anytime you cancel everything out, you're still left with 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. And so we have this situation of the same problem gives us two different answers. It could give us 1 over x squared. It can also give us x to the negative 2 power. But what we'll see is that's actually the same thing. So if I have 5 to the negative 4th power, and I want to calculate that, I'm going to go over to my calculator. 5, and then I'm going to have an exponent on here of negative 4. What I appreciate about Desmos is they don't make a difference between subtract and negative. With our school calculators, they do. And so this, you can use the same button for both. So that gives us 0.0016. Now, if I have 1 over 5 to the 4th, that's 1 over, go to my calculator again, 5 to the 4th power. That gives us 625. And if I calculate that, 1 divided by 625, I should get the same exact thing. And so again, I get 0.0016. So these have the same value as each other. A number to a negative exponent and 1 over that number to the positive exponent. Those are the same thing. And they, it just depends on how you like to write it. There might be some teachers or professors that have preferences. I don't mind either, but it is certainly, you can simplify going back and forth either way. So if I have x to the negative 9th power, and I don't want to have negative exponents, I could also write that as 1 over x to the 9th power. All right, so go ahead and try the 3 problems on the right.